Hello viewers, Republic Day sale 2025 will start from tomorrow at midnight for the Prime members and also for the Plus and VIP members on Flipkart. Amazon has revealed some of the pricing. As you can see here, Tab S9 FE iPad 10th generation 256GB version, plus there is MI Pad 6 Tab A9 Plus, and there is Lenovo Tab Plus, Oneplus Pad 2 and Honor Pad 9, Redmi Pad AC, Lenovo M11 and OnePlus Pad Go. But they haven't revealed the exact pricing of those tablets, so you have to wait till the sale starts at midnight tomorrow. For the Prime members on Amazon.in, many people are interested to buy many other tablets also, such as few people want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, the flagship level tablet, and they want to know the exact pricing of that tablet. Actually, you will not get so much discount on this product. Others want to know whether there will be price drop in case of iPad 9th generation. Definitely there will be price drop in iPad 9th generation. It will be available under 20,000 rupees. And if you want to know the best price of this iPad, actually the best price is 17,000 rupees, but I don't think you will get this tablet under 17,000 rupees. So maybe around 18 or 19,000 will be the price of iPad 9th generation for the 64GB Wi-Fi version. If you want to buy iPad Air M1, in that case the best price for the 64GB version is around 42,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 128GB version, in that case you may have to pay around 46 to 47,000 rupees. But the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE is on the higher side. So if you get this tablet under 20,000 rupees, only then buy this tablet. Otherwise wait for another sale or buy another tablet. Many people actually want to know about Lenovo tablets. Actually, Lenovo provides very good hardware, but some issues are there in terms of software processing. So I don't recommend Lenovo tablets to users, but it is your personal choice. And if you want to buy MacBook M1, in that case the best price is 52,000 rupees, but I don't think you will get this MacBook M1 in 52, maybe 55 or 56 should be or will be the price of this product. So these are some tablets that you can buy in Republic Day sale. If you want to know the price of any other tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. And in my next video, I will talk about the battery life in iPad OS 18.2.1 on iPad 10th generation. So if you want to watch that video, stay subscribed with notification bell on. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.